Ow.
Okay, tender here?
A little bit. If you push it. So it was against the bone, and then it kind of
made its way more superficial, or?
Yeah.
I definitely feel it in there. Everything runs right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cool. So I'll grab Dr. Chang, have him take a look, and then decide how we're going to get it out.
Okay, cool. So I agreed to schedule the surgery, and I just happened to ask how much it was going to cost. And this is how much it was going to cost. That's crazy.
What the hell?
I mean, it's just morally wrong to charge that much to take out a splinter. I mean, it's a huge splinter, but thank goodness I have insurance. But my heart goes out to those people that don't have insurance, that actually have real serious medical problems. Always call before you agree to go into a surgery. Check the pricing. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm underneath the boat with the dogs. So I wanted to take a look at the hull, and there's a couple of things I needed to inspect, so I figured I'd bring you with me so you can have a look. Okay, let's look. Okay, so here's where the keel attaches, and you can see that obviously it needs some cleanup there, but more importantly, what I'm looking for is some better understanding of, before I install the Keelson, are there significant issues on the bottom of the hull that I need to worry about? There's a spider cracking, and there's also some fiberglass condition issues that I need to look at. But also here where the trailer rubs against the side of the boat, it wore these deep grooves into the hull. So I'm just going to pay attention to that and see if there's something that needs my attention. So the Keelson is essentially made up of 4 8-foot planks of white oak. So I had to add 2 scarf joints to make 3 of those pieces into the total length. But since the boards are only almost 3/4 inch, I had to add another 1/4 inch board on top of that. So that's done. So now what I'm doing is the forwardmost part of the Keelson, between the keel and the pointy end of the boat, needs an extra 1/4 inch. So I'm adding that piece here. Well, as you can see, there's been a lot of work that's gone into this Keelson, and I'm essentially, after I scrape this glue off, I'm essentially done, which is kind of amazing. The Keelson ended up being obviously such a huge part of the boat, and I wanted to take the time to do it right. The Keelson has a pretty broad curve underneath, and so I need the right tool to do that. So what your girl needs is a grinder. And I have a grinder, and I have a lot of attachments that I bought specifically for this Keelson way back when, before I even bought the wood. Turns out none of these are going to work. I was able to make some progress. This is about 2 minutes of grinding with this disc, and it's okay, but it's just not the right one. So they sell this chainsaw style where you can basically hollow out huge logs, but this is the one I need. And this one you have to order special. So that will be ordered, and until then, all progress on the Keelson has come to a halt. Well, look at this beautiful tree. So much shade, it's so nice, has beautiful flowers, and it drops all of its little flowery bits all over my boat cover. Ah! This is not going to work. Even if the Keelson was ready to be installed, I can't fiberglass with all of these little bits falling on the boat. So I'm going to have to add a cover. And it's not that I necessarily like blue tarps. I think just in general, blue tarps are one of those necessities for any project. Is it nice looking? Hell no. It looks homeless and terrible, but it'll certainly do the trick. And Yeah, you see this big tree in the way? How am I supposed to work around that? I don't know. So it's just going to be kind of soggy in the middle, but it'll work great. Well, that's it, everyone, for this episode. I hope you join me next time. And at that point, we're going to be installing the Keelson finally. Take care, everyone. I hope everyone does put your mask on and take care of others. And fair winds and following seas. Take care, everyone. Bye.